Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow physical activity permission, the health app, on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings we want to go down, and in here tap on apps. Next, tap on the option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, select Permission Manager. Then we go down and tap on Physical Activity. Next in here there is the Allow and Not Allow section. Now you want to select an app that you want to allow. So for example, Maps. In here you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. So if I choose Allowed, I can tap on the back key, and now Maps will be able to access physical activity. Apps with this permission can access your physical activity like walking, biking, driving, step count, and more. If you want to revoke the permission, you just go to the Allow section, select an app, then choose Don't Allow, and this will deny the app permission to physical activity. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.